Welcome back to another SoCal Law and Order video. This is episode 4 of my summer series. One more episode after this, and then we'll be getting through the heat of the summer, and I'll be showing you how I do my spoon feeding and the products that I use. I hope you enjoyed today's video on Hydretain and Scott's Everydrop. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to put down is Scott's Everydrop. This is a granular product that goes into the soil. It helps loosen up the soil and get the water down to the roots. I'll be using this in conjunction with Hydretain. After speaking with the folks at Hydretain, I found out and was told that I can use Hydretain in conjunction with this. So in California we get pretty hot, and to try and help eliminate my water bills, I'm going to try and do both of them this year for the first time. So this product here is 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and you want to apply it every 4 weeks. So this will be my first application. So let's measure 2 pounds out and go throw it on the yard. And then make sure you don't leave the bag open and dump it on the ground like I just did. Big dummy. Alright, there we go, 2 pounds. So in case none of you have ever seen this before, it's real small prills, super grainy, so it goes down pretty quick. On the Scotch spreader, I set my spreader to 2 1/4, sometimes 2, so we'll see what happens. Let's go throw this down. So we got the Scott's Everydrop down. Now we're going to throw down the Hydretain, and I'll go over a little bit of this later on. You guys pretty much know what Hydretain is. It's a liquid chemical that helps bring moisture down to the roots. After you apply this, you want to immediately water into the soil. So I'll be doing that next. And you also want to do that with the Scott's product as well. Alright guys, so the Hydretain's in, the Scott's Everydrop is in, and now I got my irrigation system on for about 10 minutes to water it down. The idea is to get it watered in as much as possible to try and get the chemicals and the granulars to get down to the roots. So I can tell you right now, it's extremely hot and I am sweating, and right now it's about 8:30 in the morning. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You can hit that bell notification as well, and I'll let you know when I post up new videos. Your support would be greatly appreciated by me. I love doing this stuff. I want to share what I do. I'm no professional, but I just want to help others make the best that they can of their yards. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was insightful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or email me. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Like I always say, keep your lawnmower blade sharp, mow often, and keep your lawn in order.